بارزان که خلاط شرف خوراگریه بخاتون شیرین خیر و خودی دا جه شانازیه کنها خلاط شرف خوراگریه درچویا بری و برنا کارسازی شیرین خیر و خودی دا بخشم سراتیا شیرین چیروکه که جرأت که موینه پشتی زحمت و خوراگریا چندین سال اخسیری دست داعش دا شیرین بویا هما و نشانا هیوی و خوراگری و کس و کار میت زدی رجبونا شیرین لسر بردوامی پیدانا خوندنا خو هاندان و الهام بوان همه کسی گروبروی آستنگ و آزارت مزنت بن حکومت هەرێمی کوردستان بەردەوام یاڕش دەلسە پابەندبوونا خوب پشتیوانیکردنەوان هەمە کچ و ژنێت ئازایەت ێزدی دا کو دوبارەت ناو civakێدا cihê xwe bigirin. Bila çîroka şîrînê bibîte peyameka pêz ku em heme taybet wekî xêzan kiçêt xwe beref xwandinê han bideyn ji ber ku dengê wan ve behre û şiyanên wan bu avakirin û paşa rojeka geş bu Kurdistanê ya giring û fer e. Awarding the honor of resilience to Shirin Khairu Khudeda. I'm honored to recognize Shirin Khairu Khudeda, a graduating business management student with the Resilience Honor. Shirin's story is one of extraordinary courage. After enduring several years of captivity by ISIS, she has emerged as a beacon of hope, demonstrating the solid spirit of the Yazidi people. Shirin's determination to pursue her education in an inspiring to all those facing unimaginable hardship. The Kurdistan regional government remains resolute in its commitment to supporting these brave women as they reintegrate into their communities. Let Shirin's journey serve as a powerful message. Let us all, particularly families, empower our young daughters to pursue education. Their voices and talents are essential for building a brighter future for Kurdistan. ناوی خدای مزن دلوان برز سەرۆکی کۆماری عێراق فدرال دکتۆر عەبدولەتیف رەشید برز سەرۆکی هەرێما کوردستانی کاک نێچیرڤان بارزانی برز سەرۆکی پەرلەمانا عێراق فدرال موحسین مەندەلاوی برزان ئامادەبوونی هێژا برزان ئەندامێت بۆردا زانکۆیا ئەمەریکی برزان مامۆستا و ستافێت زانکۆی هێژایت قەدرگران میوانت عزیز کس و کارت کتابیت خوشتوی هنگ همه بخیراتن سر و سر چاوا از گله که خوشحالم افرو وی واریت گنگوی بجدارم بو هنده آهنگا درچونا کمالک کتابی دیل زانکویا کردستان یا ئەمریکی کردستان لیره بجدارین پیروز بایل وان کتابیت خوشتوید کم هیویدارم همه قناغ جان خودات سرکفتی بم. Iraqi President Abdulatif Rashid, Iraqi Kurdistan Region, Nêçiρβάν Barzani, Iraqi Kurdistan Region President, Nêçiρβάν Barzani, Speaker Moḥsین Mەndəlaوی, members of the board, professors, teachers, faculty and staff, distinguished guests, families, friends, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2024. Tonight is a milestone for you all. To the graduating class in particular, this is a before and after point. From this moment on, you are being asked to go forward into the world, to use the skills you have learned at this university. you join a distinguished alumni of 406 former students who have walked these halls over the past decade and who have gone on to join skilled labor market at home and abroad. I take particular pleasure at this being the 10th anniversary of the inauguration of AUK. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Kurdistan Regional President and all those who have provided invaluable support to AUK over the past decade. Throughout the years since, the institution has been a building block of our vision of Kurdistan as a knowledge nation, a place that links our people to the world through learning and education, while fostering growth and expertise at home. Not only do we want you to succeed, your ability to be the best you can be is one of the tenets of our future prosperity. As AUK's founder and chairman, I envisioned this university to be a bedrock of our social and economic development, a heart of the community here in Dehok and Kurdistan more broadly. I'm happy to report that this goal is taking shape. Graduates of this campus are in the engine room of our government and are prospering in critical areas at home and abroad. Across our efforts to integrate our economy with regional and global markets, we are seeing growing numbers of AUK alumni making their mark. Graduates are internal to our forays into the new economy, finance and economics. We have jobs for you in agriculture, where we are building pathways towards self-sustainability and export. We need expertise in water and natural resources, in finance and in diplomacy, and how to combat the effects of a fast-changing climate. If you work hard, you will earn a role in the new Kurdistan, or perhaps you will further your education abroad on the back of your efforts here. We are proud of our sons and daughters who excel abroad. Our end of the bargain is that we will create the circumstances for you to return home and prosper. I would also encourage our academic community at AUK and elsewhere to do even more to prepare graduates for the workforce. We must remain nimble enough to adapt to new opportunities and trend in workforce. Developing programs and teaching courses that are relevant to our needs, the new economy, education, agriculture, and the dizzying world of artificial intelligence are paramount. Curriculums need to reflect global trends. On this note, there are some observations I would like to offer you that are relevant to the next phase of your lives. While none of us know where AI will take us in coming years, all of us have developed a sense of where it has led us to now. Data-fed applications available online are increasingly doing more of what humans have in the past generated. While AI-powered apps streamline our daily lives by managing tasks, schedules, and communication, they can also hinder our authentic expression and communication skills. From composing emails to potentially infiltrating academic writing, all AI possess challenges that can weaken our ability to express ideas clearly and authentically. This is a concern in both workplaces and academic institutions. To combat this, we must cultivate the power of our own voices, ideas, thoughts, and insights, which are irreplaceable in encouraging meaningful discourse and progress. Remember, while AI-driven communication might seem convenient now, human-led emotional intelligence will always be the foundation of genuine communication and knowledge advancement. Don't let technology silence your unique voice. Go forth and communicate with confidence as your thoughts and insights, honed through education and experience, are what set you apart and will always be valued more than machine-generated ideas. This fast-changing world also creates a possibility that those who did not grow up with such technology may be left behind. We cannot let that happen. I would urge graduates to help their family members adapt to this new world. And I would urge AUK to consider programs for anyone who wants to know more. Technology need not to be a disruptor if we take the time to educate all levels of communications. The new economy we are building will require a different form of engagement from our citizens. And I would ask that all Kurdistanis, but our elders in particular, are given support to adapt. Digital banking in particular has the potential to revolutionize how we store and move our finances. I ask students to take the time to teach family members in the same way that you have been taught lessons here. We are all in this journey together, and none can be left behind. Throughout its short history, AUK has been a beacon of diversity and inclusion, and I am proud to say that 72% of students here benefit from some forms of scholarships. We believe in education's ability to change lives, and we are dedicated to providing opportunities for all, regardless of background. Our ongoing pursuit of a US accreditation underscores our commitment to quality assurance and continuous improvement. As the first institution in the country to seek this prestigious recognition, you have the power to shape the future and create lasting change. To the class of 2024, go for it and make the most of the opportunities that this university has given you. Be proud of what you have achieved here and who you are. As sons and daughters of this nation, never forget where you came from and never underestimate yourselves. I encourage you to live your values and help us lead efforts to affect change on areas of vital importance. The future of our nation and the very existence of our planet will be in the hands of your generation. This may appear an onerous responsibility, and perhaps it is, but I urge you all to rise to the challenge and make a difference. Use your education to drive positive change, to innovate, and to lead with integrity and compassion. Congratulations once again, class of 24. We are excited for what the future holds. Go forth with confidence, conviction, and a commitment to making the world a better place. Thank you, and congratulations again.